Hey guys, in the previous video we have learned what is UI and what is UX. So in this video we are going to learn what is sitemap and what is wireframe. Okay, so these two are part of UX process like UX design, and firstly now I'm going to open a picture. So as you can see here, it is saying that what is sitemap. So first let's read the definition, then I will explain. Okay. So the definition is here. Actually it's saying that a sitemap is a visual representation of a website structure. Okay, so a sitemap is a visual representation of a website structure. It shows how different pages are connected and help designers organize content logically. Okay, so if you do not understand this definition, general definition, so now I'm going to take you to Amazon web page, and let's make this understanding really easy. Okay, so just wait. So I just open Amazon. Okay, so as you can see that Amazon has lots of layout. Sitemap meaning that there are multiple option is showing here. So here as you can see that there are multiple menu text is showing here. So if you click one of them, like if I now click just wait, if I click on MX player, so this is an option of Amazon. So as you can see, Amazon open MX player in another tab. Not in the same tab it is redirecting, but it is opening another page. So this is called sitemap. It meaning that your whole website, how your wireframe is going to meet. Okay, so sitemap comes first, then wireframe. Okay, so firstly before designing a website you have to create a sitemap of your website, the entire website. Okay, so wireframe is a single web page, like Amazon, like you can say that, just wait, this whole page you can say wireframe. Like after sitemap wireframe comes. I already told you that after sitemap wireframe comes. So if I just click here, again I'm going to explain you more detail in. So there are multiple options showing here. So here is showing bestseller, new release. So these all are called sitemap. Okay, it means that the visual map. So we use Google Map. So Google Map means that you are going to find location. So you can take sitemap as a map. Sitemap meaning not that it's a really rocket science. It is really easy. So sitemap means that there are options like bestseller, new release, movers and shakers, and blah blah blah. Lots of options showing here. So if I click like Echo and Alexa, so Echo and Alexa, so one more tab is open here. So you can say this is called sitemap. After clicking Echo and Alexa, they are showing related content of Echo and Alexa. Like if I click meet Alexa, so the page is going to redirect to another page. So one page to another. So this is called map of a site. Okay, so after clicking one option like one text, it is going to redirect to another page, and this process we can call sitemap. That how your website is going to visually represented, and this representation is going to call wireframe. So I hope you understand that what is wireframe. Wireframe meaning the whole layout of your page, that it's a low fidelity design, like how your entire web page is going to look. So this is called wireframe. And sitemap meaning that how your page is connected to your second page. Like if I already told you that if I click one of them, they will going to redirect me to another pop-up, like another structure. Okay, so this we call sitemap, like how you're going to page is going to mapping to one page to another, after another to they can get back to front page again, like home page. If you click a, just open a, you suppose you open a blog page, okay, so you are reading a story like how we can become successful UI UX designer. Okay, so after just reading the definition of how we can become UI UX designer, and in the last section, like after reading the whole story, there is a option that get back to home, like home page, and you are just click home and you are going to redirect to home page again. So this we call sitemap, and and after sitemap the wireframe come. Like after redirecting to home page, your whole page is appeared again. So this we call wireframe. Okay. So I hope you got my point that what is sitemap and wireframe. It is really easy. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn what is prototype and what is user flow. Okay. So thank you. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, so I will highly encourage you to subscribe this, because I make on video on UI UX design and website full stack website development. Okay, so thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.